The two biggest issues an athlete runs into when they want to develop speed is two things. First is that they don't start soon enough. So they should really start training at that pre-pubescent age, so roughly about just before 13 years old. And then also, they don't take dedicated time in their off-season training to develop that skill. So again, speed is a skill that you can develop and you can maximize for your potential. So just like you learned how to write your name, and just like you learned how to throw a baseball, you had proper coaching and proper time practicing that skill so you can develop it, refine it, and master it. The approach we take here at Athletic Preparation to help you maximize your speed and become really the fastest athlete you can be revolves around these three things. First is addressing your technique. So we develop all three phases of sprinting. So your acceleration, your transition, your top end speed. So we don't leave anything out. Secondly is your max strength. So again, more specifically, your posterior chain, your glutes, your hamstrings, and also your core, so that the force that you do generate gets efficiently transferred. Third and most important is that ties everything together is power. So again, when you're sprinting, your foot is only on the ground for 0.2 of a second. So we need to see how much force, how much strength that we can put into the ground in the smallest amount of time possible, so that way that ensures it transfers over to your sport performance. The simplest analogy to wrap all this together here for us is thinking of your body as a car. So say you come in, you say you have 200 horsepower engine, and we can tune the engine here and there, so again, make minor adjustments, so that's again working on your sprinting technique. But if we don't address the underlying issue, the fact that you need more strength and raw horsepower to get you moving quicker, then we can drop that 500 horsepower engine in here, and then that's what's going to really help us get to where we want to go. So don't sell your athlete short. Make sure you're training strength and power and not just doing sport practice, again, because otherwise you will never become the fastest athlete that you possibly could be.